stretch, stretch, stretch. Focus on your throat. And then exhale, you move your chin to collarbones. This you can do it for a few more rounds, like moving up and down. With the breathing, inhale when you look up, exhale when you look down. Okay, then you bring your neck to the center and now bend sideways. You can also take the palm support and push your right ear to the right shoulder. You will have an amazing stretch on your left side of your neck. And then come back to the center, switch your arm and give it a nice stretch. Release the tension from your neck. Come back to the center. Okay, then you can do the neck circles. We move our neck 1 or 2 times each side, just to release the tension from our neck and stiffness, because you see computer all the day, so all the time there's a lot of stiffness in our neck. And then you can do the reverse rotation. Practice this whenever you get breaks, you can practice during the break time, which gives your neck a little relaxation. After relieving your neck, we move to the shoulders. Very important again. If your shoulders are stiff and tight, you may feel you're slouching your back. So we try to open up. Open your chest. You can place your fingers and thumb on your shoulders. We bring our elbows together and start with the circles. Yes, we rotate our shoulders as well as your arms circling. Feel your chest, feel your upper mid back. And then you reverse rotation. Keep breathing. Always inhale and exhale. Inhale, bring your elbows together, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Wonderful. You will feel, just loosen up your arms and maybe you can shake your fingers, move your fingers open and close, rotate your wrist. So you are also working on your wrist bone, which is again stressful. Even your fingers, tiny fingers, we will loosen up. Shake, shake, shake. Wonderful. Good, everyone. Now we will strengthen our back. So what you need to do is, we inhale, raise your arms up, interlock your fingers and stretch your spine. Look up to the ceiling. So if you notice, your shoulders should go behind your ears. Yes, so it improves your posture. Also, it brings the alignment of your spine right from your navel to your head. You see the uplift of your spine. It also energizes your back. Whole day we keep our hands down in shoulder line, but when you stretch your arms up, it improves our blood circulation, to our heart, and it gives a nice expansion to your lungs. Now exhale, you bend to your right side. Feel that stretch. Feel your left side of your body. 1, stay there. 2, exhale. 3, go as far as you can. 4 and 5, bring it back to the center. Inhale, again lift your chest up. Exhale, we bend to our right. Breathe out. 1, feel the stretch. Do not lift your hips. 2, keep stretching. 3, 4 and 5. Wonderful. Bring it in the center, and then you loosen up your fingers and give it a nice retraction to the spine, and just shake, shake, shake your arms, and you loosen up your spine and your shoulders and bring it back. I hope you're feeling better, right? So when you do this, only 2-3 minutes of stretch, it gives you amazing effect. Then we will do it one more asana, which will be on the belly, which will improve your chest, spine, navel, and improving your flexibility. Yes, so coming on top of your knees, and we will lie down on our abdomen. Both your palms closer to your chest. It's a Cobra Pose. We will keep our arms tucked in, no gap, elbows pointing up. Fingers wide open and inhale. You come in a baby cobra, and those who are flexible, they will stretch your spine. You lift till your belly button. Try not to lift your hips, okay? Push your hips down and look up. Wonderful. 2, you can micro bend your elbows so that you can feel your arms, you can feel your chest, your spine. Nice. 3, I hope you all are feeling the stretch. 4, 5, yes, you can do it more, 5 counts. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Wonderful, guys. You can relax your belly, chest and head. So when you want to relax, you will go in a child's pose. So you stretch your arms. So whenever you feel that you are so stressed up, tensed, and you cannot cope up with your, studies and yourself, you can just lean in child's pose for 5 minutes every day, and you will see, you will feel so fresh and relaxed after that. Now we will take the eye. As I said, eye exercise is also very important. At least you have to do this 2-3 minutes of exercise which I showed you earlier, your neck, shoulders and then your spine stretching. You can also take this for the shoulders. Interlock your fingers, expand your chest, push your chest forward and exhale, bend forward. You will move your arms above your head, which will give you a very good stretch in your shoulders and relieving the stress. 1, let's stay here. 2, you can practice. If you cannot lift your arms fully, you can use a towel for the support. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Amazing, guys. Relax your arms, shoulders, drop it down and slowly come back. It's very effective practice. Now we move to the eyesight. Yeah, you have to fix your thumb like this in line of your shoulder, okay? And we keep gazing on the tip of our thumb, and you slowly start moving your eyes. Do not move your head. You just keep gazing. Take it as far as you can, and then you bring it back to the center, gazing to that thumb, and the same thumb we will move it on the left. Do not turn your neck and slowly bring it back to the center. Then you can change your arm position, same level. First you will take it to the left without moving your head. Keep moving and then slowly bring it back to the center, and then move your arm to your right. Look at that thumb and then bring it back to the center. Okay, then you can even move your thumb up, move your arms up without lifting your head. Gaze to your thumbnail and then bring it back to the center, and then you can reverse your arm where you can see your thumb is pointing down. If you get tired with this hand, you can change your arm, okay? And then bring your thumb closer to your eyebrows. You can gaze between your eyebrows, which will give you a very good stretch in your eyes, and you are also making your eyes flexible. And then you can thumb up facing, pointing up, and you bring it towards your nose. Okay, gaze to your tip of your nose, and then you keep stretching your arms again forward, and then you can relax your hands. We will take a circle, okay, eye circle. So we will move our hand in a circle very slowly. Your eyeballs also moving Keep gazing to that thumb, tip of your thumb. Yes, 2 rounds you can take it. Very good for those who have eyeglasses, especially if you have high numbers. And then the reverse. If you have a burning sensation, you will stop the practice and you will put cold water, splash it on your eyes. Okay? But if you can do it, finish 2 rounds each side. And yes, very nice. Without moving your head, we close our eyes, both your palms together, rub your palms, make it a little warmer, and you can do the palming, okay, which will heal your eyes. Yeah, you can place your palms, soft palms on your eyes. You can feel much better, few blinks, and then relax, and you can move it on your face, and then you can massage your neck and your shoulders, and with a big smile, few blinks, slowly open your eyes.